Hello, my name's Lee Bowers, Kawasaki UK and EBC Brakes sponsored rider. I'm also known as Bowers Stunts, which is my limited company, ride under Bowers Stunts, but mainly Lee Bowers. I'm using their GPA FA brakes in the rear and the FA pads in the front, and also with their oversized discs. I've got 330mm on the front of my stunt bike, which you see earlier, and I'm running full contour discs, not the wavies. I like as much contact patch as possible, but their discs and pads are great for me. Been using them for about 5 or 6 years now, and yeah, they're fantastic.